Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, bringing you another food review. I've done one of these type meals before. It's the bird's eye. It's their family size, they call it the Voila. That's my best French. Tell you what guys, this is the chicken stir fry of their skillet meals, and the one I had before was pretty good. You go back and check that video. As a matter of fact, I'll put a link right up here. But we're gonna give this a try, straight up out of the package. We're not adding anything to it, cooking it by directions, and just see how we like the meal. So guys, get this in the skillet and see what's going on. Hey guys, I ain't got a great angle on this stove, but here we go. Straight in. And these sauce packs get opened. Guys, we're just gonna cook this for about 13-14 minutes and see where we're at. I do believe we are there. You can smell that sesame garlic sauce in there. I tell you what, let's get this on the plate, guys, and get a taste. Smells delicious, I gotta say that. First observation is my usual complaint: not enough meat. That's alright. We'll see how it tastes. So look at there. Alright guys, moment of truth. How is it? Almost feel like I need chopsticks, but I wouldn't know how to use them if I had them. So look, I'm going with the fork. That's actually quite tasty. That what they call that sesame ginger sauce, stir fry sauce that's in it. That's pretty good. Really hot. With the vegetables, carrots, red peppers, whatever else they got in it, carrots, and chicken. Guys. That one's a good one. I forget the other one. I did some sort of saucy cheeseburger mix before, and I wasn't as impressed, if I remember right. But other than not enough meat, that's gonna be a normal complaint for me, I assure you. But more meat, need more meat, bird's eye, more meat. I'll pay the difference, more meat. Guys, one more. Guys, wow, yeah. I'll be honest, I was not expecting it to be as good as what it is. I would definitely buy that again. And so, thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up on the Voila bird's eye chicken stir fry blend. Give it a shot. Tell me what you think. Have you tried it? Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Guys, thank you as always. Having a blast doing these reviews. And subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Hit the like button for us. That helps us out a lot. And hit that bell notification, let you know every time I post a new video. Guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.